Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to solve the problem on vector norms. Considering the given set of two set of vectors, we are going to represent the norms, that is L1 norm, L2 norm and L infinity norm with of the given vector V, W and V plus 2W. But we have V and V W vector, but we don't have V plus 2W vector. How to represent and how to simplify L1, L2, L infinity, I am going to show you step by step. First, consider the given solution. Given capital letter V, which is equal to 1, 0, minus 2, 3, and W, which is equal to 4, minus 1, 2, 1. Then you can simplify it. This given set of elements V1 equal to 1, comma, V2 equal to 0, V3 equal to minus 2, and V4 equal to 3. W1 which is equal to 4, W2 which is equal to minus 1, and W3 equal to 2, and W4 equal to 1. Done. Now we are supposed to find V plus 2W, that is capital letter V plus 2W, which will be equal to, what is V? 1, 0, minus 2, 3 plus 2 into W, 4, minus 1, 2, 1. Then V plus 2W, which is equal to, you can simplify 1, 0, minus 2, 3 plus 2 fours are 8, minus 2, 4 and 2. Now add the terms V plus 2W, which is equal to 1 plus 8, 9, 0, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 plus 4, 2, 3 plus 2, you get 5. What the point? Now this is the what? V plus 2W set of vector. Done. Now let us find L1, L2, L infinity of V, W and V plus 2W. First let us find L1 norm. Okay, L1 norm is given by norm capital letter V1, which is equal to the summing the terms, that is modulus 1 plus modulus 0 plus modulus minus 2 plus modulus 3, which will be equal to 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. Next we have norm W1, which is equal to, what is W? 4 modulus minus 1 modulus 2 modulus 1, which will be equal to 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. Norm V plus 2W 1, which is equal to modulus 9 modulus 2 modulus minus 2 plus modulus 2 modulus 5, which will be equal to, use the calculator, there will be no mistakes. Okay, 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5, which will be equal to 18. This completes L1 norm. Next let us go L2 norm. That is, the second condition gives L2 norm. L2 norm, you can represent it as norm V2, which will be equal to square root of norm, what is 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square, which will be equal to, use the calculator, represent the solution. Okay, done. See, consider the calculator. Square root of 1 square plus 0 square plus 2 square, since minus become positive in the modulus sign, and 3 square, you get square root of 14. Square root of 14. Next, norm W2. Norm W2, which will be equal to square root of modulus 4 square plus modulus minus 1 square plus modulus 2 square plus modulus 1 square, which will be equal to square root of, let us represent the solution. See, okay, can you see? Yes, square root of 4 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Get square root 22. Get square root 22. The last norm V plus 2W norm 2, which is equal to square root of modulus 9 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square plus modulus 5 square, where square root becomes, see, minus sign becomes positive, remember, okay. Again take the square root of 9 square plus 2 square plus 2 square plus 5 square, get square root of 114. Get square root of 114. This completes L2. Then comes the last condition, L infinity norm. L infinity norm, you can represent it as norm V infinity, which is equal to maximum of modulus 1 comma 0 modulus minus 2 comma modulus 3. The maximum is 3. Next, modulus W infinity, which is equal to maximum of modulus 4 modulus minus 1 modulus 2 comma modulus 1, which is equal to 4. Next, norm V plus 2W infinity, which is equal to maximum of modulus 9 modulus minus 2 comma modulus 2 comma modulus 5, which is equal to 9. 3, 4, 9 is the what? L infinity norm. Okay, done. Let us take a recap. First, consider the given two set of vectors V and W. Considering these two set of vectors represent V plus 2W. Then, considering all these three set of vectors represent L1 norm. That is, norm V1 you get 6. Just adding the set of vectors, you get 6. Norm W1 you get 8, and norm V plus 2W1 you get 18. Got the point? Similarly, let us go with the L2 norm. In this L2 norm we represent the given set of vector with respect to norm V2, where you are supposed to square root the term, consider the square root and square the given set of elements. Then you get square root of 14, and norm W2 you get root 22, and norm V plus 2W2 you get square root of 114. Next, L infinity norm, considering the L, that is norm V infinity, norm W infinity, and norm V plus 2W infinity. In the given set of vector, which is the highest maximum number that we are going to represent, that is norm V infinity is 3, for norm W infinity 4, and norm V plus 2W equal to 9. This is how you are supposed to represent the given set of vector form or vector norms for the given set of conditions with respect to V and W. I hope you have understood each and every step of the given vector norms form. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.